And teach you how to make a maze game like this. Like when you touch it resets you, and when you touch the crown it makes a new level. Like this. We're gonna teach you how to make this. I followed a tutorial how to make a joystick. I'll leave the video and link in the description. So first you can let it say and then wait for 1 second. Then after you can make the maze and the crown. You can make a crown or a text say you win. So first you have to say go to back layer. Then after you have to make this when green flag forever if touching player, and it makes a broadcast called maze. Inside of the maze sprite, when I receive maze, it makes a new costume. You can make these costumes mazes. Make sure that maze doesn't touch the crown, or else you cannot get the crown. Then after, it makes a new player position, because if you touched it, it will still be on the crown and can make it go fast. So broadcast new player position, and when it receives, you can place it anywhere. I prefer you go to right here and make a new player position and copy the go to and put it right here. Then we're gonna make you how to make it a reset to your position right here. So when this touch colors, you will again copy the go to and put it right here. And if you want to make kill bricks at the last level, you can add these red bricks and when you code that grab you touching color stop all, then after and you have a perfect maze. But if you want your character to move, if you don't have like a tablet or something, and if you want the character to move, go to when green flag, control, if then do it 4 times, then go to the sensing, do key presses, and you can do arrow keys or W, A, S, and D. I'm just going to do W, A, S, and D. This should not take long to make this. Now at the W, it will go up, but S will make it go down, and D will make it move, and the D will do it backwards. And your maze is complete. Oh, and if you want a game over score, you just do a stop all button. And if you want to add a background, you can make some cool backgrounds like this one I'm gonna make. Like this kind of background. Or you can make it, or it could be like this. Be like this. This could be like good. It can be like this, and it's good. The greater, the good. And if you want to add a music sound, just if you already has a music sound in your backdrops, I just have one. You can make your own. It's this Friday Night Funkin'. Okay, so when you make the sound, grab a one flick clagged forever, then it can play the sound, but make sure until done, so when it's done, it can redo. Also, if you want to add a menu screen, you can make a menu screen. Just take one of your mazes. I'll just do my first one. And grab your player sprite. Wait, I forgot his smile. You could group all of them if you want to. Now make the player moving. You can if you have a joystick. joystick in your backdrop, you can go ahead and grab it. You can grab the joystick and to make the sprites and the background. Copy this, paste. You can just make this blue so it cannot take up the screen. Or you can just make it white so it cannot take the screen, and you can add text. I'm just gonna call my Maze Runner. Maze Runner. I didn't choose, I was going to choose Pixel, but marker looks amazing. You can color your text if you want, but I think black goes fit, or red. Maze Runner looks amazing. And if you want to make a play button, go ahead, make yours better. I'm just gonna do plain old white because that's how I use. Then go into your text, still use marker if you want to, and write play. You can put a play button right here. First, you have to make it show. Then after, when this sprite clicks, it tells you to play. And when it receives play, it has to hide. And also, if you have all of this code, if you have a lot of green flags, just replace them with play. Just replace all of them with play. So when it starts, you can play the game. But for this one in the maze, you just don't need it. But in the crown, you need it. And the base. This. No, I like this. Looks fine. And yes, and it works. Maze, and it works. But when you turn it on, you don't want to hear the music, so you can just boing, boing, boing. You can just keep it. Now you can play your game, the maze game. So you can play the maze game and you have a maze game. Yes, and the crown, you can make the crown any color you want. You can type blip 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 like this. Oh, also, if you want to make your character change colors, you can go ahead, go to variables, and make new color. And for this sprite, and when it receives play again, you can when it receives play. Wait, make this to a slider. Now when the player grab it forever and then sets color, then after select new color. My default color is yellow. You can put this at the middle. I prefer you put it at the middle. But my text is really large, so I'm just gonna put this at a corner. If you wanna make it ask what is you want a username, first make a hidden. First make a sprite. Now grab and ask make a new I forgot how to spell username. Okay. Make a new username and grab a one-click collect. You can put this at the middle and make it go set to 100, or else it won't work. You can set it at and set goes to 100. Set goes to 100. You can make it any color because just white it won't work. So I'm just going to choose red. Set goes to 100. You can do username and you can type the username. I'm just going to do this. Okay, so that's it for today. Wait, the username's gone. Wait. Oh wait, I accidentally wait. Go to front layer. There. Now you have a perfect maze game. You can make a new username. Or if you don't want username, you can just hippity hoppity and say bye-bye. Now you have a if you want to be sure, you can try the new colors. Woo! Bye bye. See you tomorrow.